Hello, in front of me I've got GARMIN CamperVan navigation. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage route settings and preferences. In the beginning, from the homepage go to Settings. Enter navigation, and now you can change calculation mode between faster and straight line. You can select avoidances like U-turns, highways, tolls and fees, ferries, carpool lanes and unpaved road. Then you can select your custom avoidances like area or road. Then you can select toll stickers permission, for example for Austria, Bulgaria, Czech Republic, Hungary and many more. Then you can enable or disable environmental zones, restricted mode and GPS simulator. Next you can go to further settings. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.